Vehicular pre-operative checks. Vehicular pre-operative checks refers to items that a driver should check for before driving. The objective is to enhance your knowledge of what you should check your vehicle for to enhance the safety and efficiency of the journey. This video will explain to you the fundamentals of the vehicular pre-operative checks. It is important to carry out pre-drive checks as it enhances the safety of the journey by enabling issues to be identified before starting on the journey. This is because good driving skills alone may be unable to overcome mechanical faults, which may cause the driver to lose control of the car. Besides, it is important to carry out pre-drive checks as it helps to reduce the cost of driving a car. This is because properly functioning equipment can help to save costs. For example, properly inflated tires can lower fuel consumption, and early detection of faults mean that they can be fixed early at a relatively less cost. Thus, pre-drive checks should be carried out before each drive. A driver should also carry out pre-drive checks when the car has such been taken over, such as when renting or borrowing a car, to ensure that the car is in good condition and functioning properly. To ensure that the pre-drive checks is carried out in a comprehensive manner, one way is to start from the exterior of the vehicle. Walk around the exterior in a clockwise direction, starting from the car bonnet and checking the various parts of the car. After doing so, the driver should check the interior of the car. Now that you have completed the video, please answer the quiz questions that follow. There will be 5 multiple choice questions. After the questions and options are shown, you will be given 5 seconds to answer each question. Quiz questions. 1. Why should a driver carry out pre-drive checks? A. It enables a driver to comply with the law. B. The safety of a journey can be enhanced by doing pre-drive checks. C. Drivers who are seen by the authorities to be doing pre-drive checks may be given a reward. B. The safety of a journey can be enhanced by doing pre-drive checks. 2. Which of the below is not a reason why carrying out pre-drive checks can reduce the costs of driving? A. If the parts of a car are properly functioning, the costs of driving the car can be reduced. B. Identifying mechanical faults early enables it to be fixed at a lower cost. C. Carrying out pre-drive checks is a criteria that can lower the insurance premium payable. C. Carrying out pre-drive checks is a criteria that can lower the insurance premium payable. 3. Which of the below statements about carrying out pre-drive checks is false? A. The driver should carry out pre-drive checks after a minor accident. B. The driver should carry out pre-drive checks before starting a journey. C. The driver should carry out pre-drive checks after driving for an hour in a car which has been taken over. C. The driver should carry out pre-drive checks after driving for an hour in a car which has been taken over. 4. How should a driver carry out pre-drive checks of the car exterior? A. The driver should walk around the car in a clockwise direction. B. The driver should walk around the car in an anti-clockwise direction. C. Check the car bonnet, followed by the car boot, followed by the side mirrors. A. The driver should walk around the car in a clockwise direction. 5. Which of the below statements about carrying out pre-drive checks is true? A. Good driving skills may not be able to overcome the impact of mechanical malfunctions. B. It is not necessary to carry out pre-drive checks on the interior of the car. C. Pre-drive checks should be carried out in the quickest possible way. A. Good driving skills may not be able to overcome the impact of mechanical malfunctions.